Dang. I got me my rock. Because I'm actually about to go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, scuff it up again. But dang, look at the morning, man. I was thinking of bringing a camera, but I was like, nah, you know what I'm saying? Let's just continue on with the phone. But yo, it's beautiful. I don't know why, but this neighborhood right here, at least this little avenue, it reminds me of like Outer Banks. I don't know, it's cool. Get the whole like lake going on right here. But it's so cool. But let's run it up with this rock, bruh. Because I'm really invested in this, man. Oh my gosh, that's sexy, man. What? Wow. This is tough right here. I can't lie. This is crazy tough. Dang, I'd be up in here with a whole, what's it called? The canoe? No, I mean, the thing, right? Y'all know what I'm saying? But dang, that's beautiful. Dang, it's the next day. And look how beautiful this is, man. The sun is popping up right there. But let's go ahead and go to our spot, you feel me? All right, so I'm making progress. As y'all see with this side, you see how curvy it is? I'm really invested. Earlier, I was thinking like, dang, like, why am I really doing this? But now it's fun though, you know what I'm saying? There was like a dude over there reading a book or something. But this is what I'm working on. And earlier, I'm gonna tell y'all a story later. But dang, this is so beautiful. I mean, look at that. This is so beautiful. Nothing can compare to this, bro. Look at that. All right, so update time. This is what we got. I don't know if y'all can see it good, but I'm cleaning it up. Really cleaning it up. I don't know. We're gonna take a break. We're gonna walk where we was walking before. Let's see what we can find over there. Let's see what we can see. But that's what we got. This the strap. So don't get no spider webs up in my mouth and my ears and stuff. You feel what I'm saying? This the strap. So I can walk freely. And the stick is the one that picks up all the webs and whatever, you feel me? But it's so nice over here. It's so nice. Look at this. I'm like literally in the middle of nowhere, bruh. But let's keep it going. This is a different trail. I know that for a fact. Because I didn't go through this one yesterday. Now, I got to go ahead and crouch. You feel me? Dang, and I feel like this stick ain't even helping. I might just drop it. But I'll pick it up when I see like a different spot. You feel me? Bro, I got spider webs like all over me, bro. I got me a stick, but it's not even working. I still got me my rock. So I turned around from the path. I came back the path that like I took yesterday. So we already did this one, we did that one. I think that led to nowhere. I don't know. I forgot right now, honestly. I forgot. I don't know where that led to. I think I led some, because I already went there. Oh yeah, that went to like the back of the school. That went to that little like lake, y'all seen? Dang, look how many bugs over there, bruh. So this, okay. See, the more open it is, the less spider webs. Now, we didn't go this here. So I was here on Sunday. Today's Tuesday. So let's see what we actually got going on over here. Dang, I'm really carrying a rock, bruh. It feels like the forest. Like, look at this branch. It looks crazy in real life. Dang. Look at that grass over there. That's somebody's house or something. But yo, what is that? Is that a fallen down tree? Look at how quiet it is. I'm gonna just be quiet. You can't even hear my footsteps. Dang, these bugs, bro. They trying to like dig in my eye. Dang, bro. Gotta use the dang stick. Oh, that's the school right there. Now you can't even go over there, bro. Yeah, that's the school. Dang, that's crazy. Dang, these bugs, bro. So now, I'm gonna go back and remember that spot that I said like, oh, I'm not gonna go any further. Yeah, I'm gonna go over there, so let go. Dang, this is, wow. This is beautiful. Dang, bro, these bugs, man, they're trying to like get up in my mouth. Dang, that is so beautiful. What? That's nice right there. I like that. That's tough. And there's fog over there too, as y'all can see. But remember, this is the spot. So we're gonna go ahead and record it. You feel what I'm saying? I might not even speak because I'm gonna just try to avoid all the bugs and stuff and whatnot. I'm gonna take a shower later, probably. Feel me? But dang, I feel like I'm playing a dang video game. Look, so this was the path. See? It's like mad. I don't know, it gotta be something cool over there if it's like this hidden. But I discovered all of that. Now, my analysis is telling me to keep going. So let's keep it going. Oh my gosh, I almost fell between the board, bruh. Yo, this is a board, bruh. I'm standing on a board, dude. Like what? What even is over here? Bro, I gotta crouch. All right, let's crouch. I got water all over me, bruh. All right. So we just made it past this point. Wow, I like how the sun just hits right there. I don't know, that's cool. But there's a section over there. I don't know, let me check it out real quick. If it's mad far, then I don't know. But let's see real quick. I don't really think that leads anywhere, but I can come back to it later. Now let's go ahead and go this way. Yo, this is interesting. Crazy interesting. Yeah, I'm over here playing survival. Like a survival game, bro. This is crazy. Let's keep it going. Oh, there's cars over there. I see cars. I don't know what this spot even is. Yeah, we're close to the cars. I don't know, let's see. Yo, these bugs are going crazy, bro. They keep hovering around my mouth. I'm just observing right now, like, what is this? Dang, this is literally the forest. Dang. Where did you come from? Did you fly across? Like, let's keep it going, though. And my legs are sore, too, by the way, because I ran yesterday morning. And I don't be running like that no more. Dang. We went around the whole thing? Dang, I started over there, bruh. Are we really gonna... I don't know. Oh, it like pops out in the open. Okay, that's it then. Huh. That's pretty cool. It pops out in the open, so that's what I've seen. Dang. Now we gotta go all the way back, but... Wow. Dang. Let me go ahead and check right here. Let me see what this is exactly. Must have been like a campfire. Somebody must have had a campfire. By the looks of it, yeah. Somebody used this as like a campfire. Because that just doesn't spawn. Look, we got some rope. Somebody had like a hammock here. Dang, somebody had a hammock here. They had some firewood. They had like a snack right there. They must have came from over there. And they just built like a hammock right here with these. Yeah, because they had that set up. Lifted up from the ground. They had all of these. Dang, that's cool. Oh my gosh. Whoa, that's tough. Dang, that must have been it right there. Yeah, but that's cool. Low key, that's cool. Somebody had a whole setup right here and stuff. They took advantage because it's a nice spot. Plus, you got this right here, which got water. Now, I wouldn't even be surprised if somebody just pulled up on me and said, like, hey, that's my spot. Yeah, they had another campfire, obviously. I don't know where they got that from. That must have been there already. You feel me? Just certain, like, things just laying around. They must have gotten wood from, you know what I'm saying, from certain spots, but this is nice. Look at that. That's beautiful. I gotta wash my behind, you feel what I'm saying? But dang, can you even step on this? Yes, you can. That's actually tough. Like, what? Dang. Now, this is a view. This is a view. Wow. I would get on that, but there's like spider webs, so I'm not even trying to do that. But wow. This life right here. Alright, so I'm on the trail. As y'all can see, I got my rock. I left the branch that I was using as like a defense, as like a shield. So let's step off the trail and let's follow this path. I want to see where this leads to. Dang, all these plants and stuff. This is so beautiful. You know what I'm saying? How can you live without appreciating and showing gratitude towards nature? I mean, like, this is like, what? Let me just shut up. But let's see. Let's take a look. Okay. This leads to the same thing over there. Okay, bet. I thought this was like a different spot, but never mind. This leads right to here. Dang. More spider webs? Bet. So this just leads over here. Alright, never mind. I think that's gonna be the end of the video. Remember, like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. And there's no excuse. You feel me? Wow, this is beautiful. I can't lie, this is beautiful. Dang. Dang. So we're going home. We left the rock at a certain spot. I'm gonna show y'all later. I'm gonna show y'all next time at least. So we about to go home. Dang, that sun is beautiful and it's huge. Is it me or is it huge? Now I'm looking at it with my eyes right now and it's huge. But we about to go home, take care of business. We're gonna sleep some music. We're gonna try to see if we can edit some vlogs. But besides that, it's been a blessed and beautiful day so far. And that's how it is always, because we got the opportunity to wake up. You feel me? Yo, this whole like thing right here is low-key fire. And we got that sun over there too. Dang, take a look. It do look crazy though, right? It do look crazy. Damn, but that's tough. That sun though looking crazy. Look at that. But yo, when you put this exposure down with this looks absolutely crazy cool. I don't know, that's just me though. Dang, you got these thingies making some noise. We got the baby down there. We got my baby down there. But dang, look at this sun, bruh. Look at that, man. That's nice. We about to watch my show, you feel me? But dang, that's a blessing. That's a blessing right there. I can't lie. That's a blessing.